Technological advancements have significantly transformed operations management across various industries, leading to enhanced efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. By integrating cutting-edge technologies, businesses can streamline processes, make data-driven decisions, and improve customer experiences. Automation and robotics have revolutionized industries by minimizing the need for human intervention in repetitive tasks. Amazon, for instance, employs robots in its fulfillment centers to automate the picking and packing of products. These robots transport items directly to workers, significantly reducing the time required to complete orders. This system allows Amazon to process an enormous volume of orders quickly, resulting in faster delivery times and improved customer satisfaction. By leveraging automation, Amazon enhances operational efficiency, allowing it to meet high demand during peak seasons like Black Friday or holiday sales. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning have become essential tools in optimizing business operations and personalizing customer experiences. Netflix is a prime example of AI's potential in this domain. The company uses AI algorithms to analyze its users' viewing habits, offering personalized recommendations based on past behaviors. This personalized content curation increases user engagement and encourages subscribers to spend more time on the platform. As a result, Netflix experiences higher retention rates as customers appreciate the tailored experience that AI provides. The Internet of Things, IoT, connects devices to share data in real time, enabling businesses to monitor and optimize their operations continuously. General Electric, GE, harnesses the power of IoT by embedding sensors in its jet engines and turbines, allowing for constant monitoring of their performance. These sensors detect any irregularities and predict maintenance needs, preventing costly breakdowns. By addressing potential issues before they escalate, GE reduces downtime and minimizes maintenance expenses, keeping operations running smoothly. Cloud computing has redefined how organizations store, access, and collaborate on data. Dropbox, a leading cloud storage provider, allows teams to collaborate on projects in real time from various locations. This easy access to shared documents streamlines communication and enhances productivity, as employees can work together seamlessly without geographic limitations. Cloud computing also facilitates scalability, allowing organizations to expand their operations without investing heavily in physical infrastructure. Big data analytics enables businesses to analyze vast amounts of data, uncovering valuable insights to drive operational improvements. Walmart utilizes big data analytics to optimize its supply chain and inventory management. By analyzing customer purchasing patterns, Walmart ensures that the right products are available at the right time, reducing instances of stockouts or overstocking. This approach allows the retail giant to balance supply with demand effectively, ensuring customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. 3D printing has revolutionized product development by enabling the rapid creation of prototypes and custom products. Nike leverages 3D printing technology to design prototypes of shoes quickly. This allows for multiple design iterations in a short amount of time, speeding up the development process. Nike can also offer customers more personalized products, meeting individual needs while enhancing customer satisfaction through customization. Blockchain technology has brought transparency and security to supply chains, making transactions more traceable. IBM Food Trust uses blockchain to track the journey of food products from farms to consumers. This technology ensures that every step of the supply chain is visible, allowing consumers to verify the quality and origin of their food. Blockchain reduces the risk of foodborne illnesses by enabling quick identification of contamination sources, fostering trust between producers and consumers. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, have proven to be invaluable in training and operational processes. Airbus, for example, uses AR to assist technicians during aircraft assembly. AR glasses provide real-time guidance and information, overlaying instructions onto the physical workspace. This technology reduces assembly errors and shortens training time, leading to improved efficiency and higher quality production in Airbus's manufacturing processes. Mobile technology enhances real-time communication and operational efficiency. DHL, a global logistics company, equips its delivery drivers with mobile applications that provide real-time tracking of packages and routing information. These apps also enable direct communication between drivers and customers, allowing for accurate delivery updates. As a result, DHL improves delivery accuracy and customer service, making the entire process more reliable and transparent. Enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, have become a cornerstone in modern operations management by integrating various business processes into a single platform. SAP's ERP solutions, for instance, help organizations manage key functions such as finance, supply chain, and customer relationships within one unified system. This integration allows for better decision-making by providing accurate data across departments, streamlining operations, and reducing redundancies, ultimately improving overall business performance. In conclusion, technological developments have reshaped operations management by driving efficiency, enhancing customer experiences, and facilitating informed decision-making. Companies that embrace and adapt to these technologies gain a competitive advantage, as they are better equipped to respond to market changes, optimize their operations, and improve service delivery. As technology continues to evolve, its role in operations management will only become more critical, helping businesses sustain success in an increasingly complex and dynamic marketplace.